Hey, Grant here. I just want to show you real quick this portable card table by Vasello, which we really like. We use it actually through the wintertime for puzzles. You got to think outside the box. You know, they say card tables, you can play cards at it, work your puzzles. I had a 1,000-piece puzzle on here. I had a 1,500-piece puzzle on here, so it's a good size. It is got a really soft top, which one thing when you're working puzzles, when you're pressing down on the puzzle pieces, sometimes it'll give. So, you know, that's the one downside about this, but otherwise, really like it. It's a soft, nice touch to the table. And other one things you can use it for, of course, is the kids' table when you have gatherings and whatever. Growing up, I was always over at the kids' table, and the adults sit at the big table. But this is very handy. We got the black one because you can tell from our decor we have black and white as our decor. And of course, to put the legs down or open them up, all you do is just press this down here and it folds. Of course, I'm a little awkward. Just press this here and push it in. Press this down, fold it in. Press this down, fold it in. And then there you have it. We'll put this back in, we keep the box that it comes in, we'll put it back in the box and we'll put it in storage until we need it again. We use it a lot in the wintertime, like I said, for puzzles, but it's really great for, we'll have get-togethers all summer, set out in the backyard for just setting whatever on it as we're serving things, and the kids' table, so grandkids' table in my case. So anyway, black folding card table by Vasello. I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.